Creations, and today got an Audi video for you about the mirror. I know sometimes these mirrors get damaged, sometimes people hit them when they're going past, or you might even knock one off yourself or break the glass. But if you have to change the mirror, it could get a little difficult and it's a little bit intimidating. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your mirror with maybe a $10 tool you can buy at any auto parts store, and do it yourself, and you're going to save hundreds of dollars from going to the dealership. So let's get on the other side so you can see how to get the stuff off of this mirror, and I'm going to teach you the special tool, and we're going to get this mirror right off. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this section out, and it's just held in by one little piece here. So this little nub goes in this little hole, and then we're gonna go out this little piece of styrofoam here. Now that's gonna leave you with this clip that goes to the mirror and a second line that you follow down and goes to this clip. So we're gonna take this clip apart and undo it, and this clip apart, and then I'm going to show you right here where the triple square is. So that is a triple square, and then a lot of Audis use these triple squares, and it is a special tool. You can't just put something in there, you have to use it. I had to use it on the axles to change an axle on this Audi, so it's a pretty common tool with Audi. So we're going to get the correct triple square, get in there, and release the mirror from our frame, door frame. All right, so these are triple squares, and I think I spent 15 bucks on this kit a year ago, and it still looks brand new because I barely use it. It's only for specialty things. Especially if you have an Audi, you should buy this kit. It comes with a 6, 8, 10, and 12, and you can do most of your stuff. The big one is a 1/2 inch drive, and the little ones are 3/8 inch drive. So we're gonna take the 10 off of this and stick it in there, and I'm going to show you basically how it works. Now, this doesn't look like any tool that you probably have in your toolbox or have seen before. So if you want to know how to use these, or what the difference is between these and other tools, click right up here into my basic tool playlist, and I will teach you exactly what these are and how to use them. So then we just put it in here. So now I have both cables disconnected. I'm just gonna let it hang there. We're gonna get the triple square and work its magic. And you can see, it looks like it's stripped out, right? But it's not, I promise you. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull this out and push the little wires through. And this wire doesn't want to go through, so we're gonna have to figure that one out. I think there's a clip on this one. So we're gonna just hang that right there and figure out this little clip, and then I'll tell you what to do. So there is this funny little clip that connects to the frame here. You have to push these down, and you see the inside, it releases, and it's clipped right on these little clips. So if you don't take this piece off, you will not get it through the little hole, and you might break this. But now here's your mirror, you know, and then just do everything backwards the same way and put the mirror back on. It's quick and easy, and you can save yourself a lot of money. Go to the junkyard, get yourself a new mirror instead of going to the dealership and paying those prices. All right, give us a like, subscribe. Coming out with more Audi videos all the time. We're gonna have a huge playlist. Have a good day.